What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Thanks again for tuning in. Buddies over at Extreme Online Store, and again, thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. Sent us over a Hellcat Redeye spoiler with a wicker build and obviously the inserts and all the hardware that you need. So I'm very excited for this install, but we're going to be doing the step-by-step on what you need, on how to install it, and then we'll go from there. But again, thank you guys so much for sponsoring today's video, and let's get to it. And there it is. So this spoiler is going to be for Challenger models 2008 and up. And like I said, this is the Hellcat Redeye spoiler with the wicker build. And obviously this one already comes with, it's already pre-cut with the holes. So you don't even have to do it. It's already ready to go. All you got to do is just pretty much bolt everything on, and that's it. Very quick, very easy, and very affordable, which I freaking love. And honestly, this gloss is so nice. I think it's gonna give it a good little offset because everything else is just satin. But I think this, dude, it's gonna look sick. Okay, so the tools that we're gonna need for today's installation: tape, some masking tape, just in case if we have to drill in some holes. I don't think we have to. This is gonna be a very quick, easy bolt on. But again, you never know, so we'll have that. Obviously, our little knife so we can cut our 3M that they provided with us. And obviously, we have all the bolts, hardware. And this is gonna be for the camera so it can go in. And then our 10mm, and then a little prying tool, and that should be it that we need. Like I said, I'm guessing maybe 30 minutes, maybe an hour, because obviously I have to adjust the camera, so on and so forth. But let's get to it. To remove this spoiler, we're gonna have a 10mm bolt here, in here, all the adhesive, and then here and here. So I think that should be everything. So what we're gonna have to do is remove the trunk liner, and hopefully that's gonna expose everything under here. So we'll get to that. So with our prying tool, we're gonna pop all these suckers out. Okay, so what I thought was a bolt, adhesive, bolt. Turns out to be just one bolt, and then all adhesive. Sad. Okay, so we're gonna wet right here because there's adhesive. We're gonna wet it up, get it nice and moist for you, boy. Nice and wet. Now with our prying tool, after letting it settle, we start popping it up. So now that everything's finally disconnected, it's settled, I already pried it up, so now I'm just gonna pull on it a little bit more and then kind of go from there. Oh, it's nice and easy. Okay, so there's that. And that's pretty much literally all that holds it, to be quite honest with you. And literally wasn't really much because the adhesive was already coming apart. Made in China. With that, we took off the camera. This shit we don't need anymore. This is pretty much good to go. We're gonna slowly start putting everything together and then go from there. Camera's nice and placed in. What we're gonna do now is the 3M. We're pretty much gonna line everything up like how it was on the stock one. We're gonna remove all the 3M. We're gonna place it, and then we're gonna start bolting. Now that's pretty much it. We're just gonna lay it down, apply some pressure, and then go from there. Okay, so now that that's all good to go, we now add the wicker build. And there it is, guys. Hellcat Redeye spoiler with wicker build. Honestly, I'm just speechless. This thing looks so sick. Truly, I thought it was gonna take a little bit longer, but just me with my editing, moving the camera side to side, obviously added time, but very quick, very easy. Little installation that Extreme Online Store made it for us. Literally everything bolted up just like the factory one, and that was it. But again, huge shout out to Extreme Online Store for sponsoring today's video. I really appreciate you guys over there sending this product out to me. And dude, it's so still leave the link for this whole spoiler as well. For the price, $150 for this, come on, you guys need a cop one. But again, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and we'll see you guys on the next one.